Hi, I'm Deb with Beran Properties here at beautiful Smith Mountain Lake, Virginia. I'm standing inside a condo at the Point at Mariner's Landing, 1273 Graves Harbor Trail, Unit 325. You have got to get in this condo. It has been totally updated. You're looking at the electric fireplace below the TV. Notice the crown molding along the ceiling. New windows on the lakeside. Nothing has been left untouched. Check out the updated kitchen. You want to get in soon. These condos offer a beautiful view of the lake, of the mountain. You are in a resort here at Mariners. Call today, set up your appointment. Hope to hear from you soon.